Happy New Year, guys! Good morning! Kape-kape sa umaga. I'm going to eat the lasagna. What's the name of this? Peach mango. From Jollibee. Still crispy because I didn't put in the fridge. Look, it's juicy. The mango.